Greetings and welcome back. This tutorial will walk you through the powerful tag feature of our portal. We'll show you how to set up, modify, add, delete, and use tags, and also a few tips and tricks. So what is a tag? A tag is a label that allows you to categorize and flag data. They serve a similar function to the folders and priority colors from the prior portal, but they are much more powerful and flexible. We'll show you from the table view. Locate the Tags column. Remember, you are in control of which columns are in your view and their order. Click the Column button to modify your view. With tags, you can assign multiple tags to the same record with a wide range of color options to help you better organize your data. And they are all in one place. So let's see how to manage tags. Scroll over to the left navigation menu and scroll down to Tags. This view is your Tag Manager. All of your tags will appear here. To create a new tag, select Create. The first step is to name your tag. This label needs to be a minimum of 4 characters. It's important to remember that once you assign a label to a tag, it can't be changed here. We'll show you how to do that a little bit later. Next, select a color. There are many to choose from. Once you hit Create, your new tag is ready for use. To delete a tag, click on the X. This is our failsafe. If the tag selected for deletion is active, meaning it is still assigned to an item or a hit, the system will not allow you to delete that tag until you've removed it from all items. We'll show you how to do that a little bit later. If you already have gray tags visible, these are your existing folders from the old system, converted to tags of the same name. To modify the color, click the Edit icon within the tag. Select a new color from the pop-up, and you're done. This new color is now reflected in all sections of the system. All hits and items with this tag assignment have been updated. Now that your tags are all set up, let's go back to the table view and work with them. Here we are, back at the Tags column. We can see that our new tag has been automatically added to the Search Selection dropdown and is ready for use. To add or remove a tag from a single item, hover your mouse over the row under the Tag column and use the new right-click feature to reveal available tools. Select Edit Tags from the dropdown. The pop-up reveals your available tags. Check or uncheck the selections. Note you can select more than one tag. Once you close it, your changes are automatically saved. You can also add or remove tags for multiple items. Simply select the hits you want to modify. The system keeps count of your selections here. Right-click, Edit Tags, check or uncheck the tags you want, then close. All selected hits are automatically updated. Remember, your selections remain active in case you need to revert your action or execute another action for the selected data set. You can clear your selections by clicking the counter here or the top checkbox. As you can see, all items have been deselected. Tags can also be added or removed directly from the Detail view. Double-click any row to open the Detail view. Your tags are visible here at the top right. Click the X icon within the tab to remove it, or click the Add icon to add a new tag. Click Next to load the following hit to continue your work from the Detail view. Let's go back to the Table view to discover more ways to use tags. Clicking directly on any tag, anywhere in the system, will automatically return the list of your hits that have been assigned that particular tag. As you can see, the results returned are not limited only to the items of a particular watch type. Tags are universal. This means the same tag can be assigned to hits for different watch types. This powerful feature allows you to utilize the same tag or tags to cross-reference all hits across the entire platform. Click any item on the list to jump directly to that watch notice. Click the tag to go back to the list. Now that we've mastered the assignment and removal of tags, let's sort and find our tagged data in the table view. As you can see, the assigned tags are clearly visible. All tags appear in the column heading dropdown. If you don't make a selection, all tags are displayed. You can select one or more tags from the drop-down list. The table automatically updates, showing you only your selection. Now that we've covered tag basics, let's go a bit deeper. Tips and tricks. Tip 1. Define your workflow with tags. For example, you can use tags to show the current status of a record, the priority of the record, the next steps to take, the client matter number, or the person working on this matter. You can create as many tags as necessary. This flexibility allows you to create a workflow by client, by matter type, by infringement type, or any method that works for you. Tip 2. Use the advanced search to tailor your workspace. Select Tag from the first drop-down menu. The system automatically gives you search options. This is an easy way to do things like finding all records with no tags, or records from which a specific tag is excluded. Click the plus sign to add additional parameters. Tip 3. Renaming your tags. As mentioned before, you cannot change a tag label directly from the Tag Manager because it's anchored to the structure of the system once created. However, there's an easy workaround. First, create a new tag with the correct label and color. Go back to your table view and search for that particular tag. Select all of the hits that contain that tag. Right-click, edit tags, remove the old one, add the newly created tag, close it out, and you're done. All hits have been updated with the new tag. Tip 4. Tag HouseKeeping. Delete any old or unused tags so they don't clutter your menus and you don't use it by accident. Delete the tag by clicking the X. Be sure to browse the knowledge base on our website for additional training videos and FAQs. www.checkmarknetwork.com/knowledge-base. Please do contact us with any questions or to schedule a personal training session. Have a great day and enjoy the new system. Happy tagging!